How to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows PC. I'll show you my quick way. We will use Google Drive for this. So you need a Google account. If you don't have one yet, create one now. Download the Drive app on your iPhone and open it. If you are already logged in, click the plus in the lower right corner. Select Upload File. Now Photos and Videos. And in the gallery select the video or photo you want to upload to your computer. Wait until your file is transferred and that's it. Now we go to the computer. On your computer, go to Google. Log in to the same account. Click on the dots in the upper right corner and select Drive. Now the video you sent from your phone is displayed on your drive. Click on the video to download. Select the icon as on the screen. Confirm and that's it. Your video has been sent to your computer. If you like the guide, leave a thumbs up under this video and subscribe to my channel.